Good morning. I am Dr. Sonia Khurana, Consultant Dental Surgeon, Metro Group of Hospitals. Today I'll be talking to you all on the occasion of World No Tobacco Day. This day is commemorated globally annually to create awareness among the general public about the negative effects of tobacco. Tobacco in any form is harmful. It is harmful for our overall well-being, plus it directly affects our soft tissues and hard tissues of our mouth. Tobacco damages our teeth permanently. टोबैको का सेवन चाहे स्मोकिंग में हो या चूइंग में हो, हमारे दांतों को डैमेज करता ही है, हमारे को नुकसान पहुंचाता है। द टीथ बिकम येलोइश ब्राउन, दांतों में सड़न और कई तरह की परेशानियां तंबाकू के सेवन से होती हैं। Tobacco can also cause severe bad breath. Whenever we consume tobacco, किसी भी फॉर्म में लें, सिगरेट में, पान में, जैसे भी लें, टोबैको का कुछ हिस्सा हमारे मुंह में रह जाता है। That reduces the salivary flow. It reduces, हमारा थूक जो है वो थिक हो जाता है या कम हो जाता है। उससे ओरल बैक्टीरिया जो मुंह में कीटाणु रूटीन में रहते हैं, they stick to our teeth and gums easily and form a thin transparent layer called plaque, which hardens to form tartar. This is a collection which cannot be removed by brushing or flossing. It needs professional dental cleanings at the dental clinic. For this, we need to visit our dental professional regularly. And this causes severe bad breath and rapid tooth decay. दांतों में सड़न या मुंह से बदबू आना इसके कारण ही है। तो ये तंबाकू के कारण है। और तंबाकू रेगुलर खाने से हम और उनके अंदर जो एडिटिव्स डाले जाते हैं, जैसे बीटल नट, सुपारी, स्लेट लाइम, पान में जो डाला जाता है, या पान का पत्ता, ये सब बहुत ही अब्रेसिव होते हैं। इट वियर्स डाउन आवर टीथ. It reduces the height of the teeth considerably, which ultimately leads to a lot of TMJ disorders, and it damages our profile and ultimately inability to chew. And हमारी बोलने की जो क्लियर स्पीच है वो भी अफेक्ट होती है दांतों की हाइट कम होने से। और तंबाकू के सेवन से हमारा जो दांतों का सपोर्ट मैकेनिज्म है, जैसे गम्स और बोन, द पेरियोडोंटल टिश्यूज, their infection, the extent and the severity also increases twofold, because the blood supply is reduced because of the toxins produced by the tobacco and its additives, and the gums get infected easily, and tobacco users very often notice bleeding gums. That is a very common symptom कि हमारा ब्रश करने से बहुत जल्दी खून आता है। So all these things damage the support mechanism of the teeth, and we feel loosening of teeth, mobility of teeth, and premature loss of teeth. समय से पहले दांतों का गिरना. So and tobacco delays wound healing. It restricts the blood flow, and I've already discussed it increases the bacterial count and reduces the flow of saliva. So all these add to delayed recovery after the dental treatment procedures, like dental implants, dental extractions, the various gum surgeries. So it limits the treatment options for tobacco users, and it also affects their family, their near and dear ones, the children in the house, the elderly, and the pregnant women. So, and it has alarming effects even on the non-smokers around them, or the tobacco chewers, and it also has a significant effect on the oral cavity. It causes various precancerous lesions and oral cancer. अगर देखा जाए तो mouth cancer, throat cancer, tongue, lips, all these cancers, it has been found that 90% of the victims are tobacco users. And oral cancer ranks 8th in the cause of death worldwide. So, and it's attributed to tobacco. And I urge everyone to quit tobacco. And in the present scenario, the relation between COVID-19 and tobacco, of course, there is insufficient information between COVID-19 treatment and suffering and tobacco use. But yes, it can increase and make the COVID-19 patient more prone to severe illnesses. So I, on behalf of Metro Group of Hospitals, urge all of you to quit tobacco. Protect your teeth, protect yourself, stay healthy. Namaskar, thank you, and my Metro, my pride.